It's really my privilege to be a part of Icnss 2026. I really congratulate IIT Palakkad and the IC team for creating this global platform where all the entire relevant ecosystem, all the relevant stakeholders, all of our collaborative partners, industry researchers, all of the efforts to go. And definitely in next few days, they will be sharing various ideas, technologies, various knowledge exchange will take place, and be really an appropriate fee. And it shows that this conference validates that sanitation does not restrict to public health. We goes beyond. It breaks the fundamental to the environmental sustainability. It is required to increase the budget lifestyle of all. So I really appreciate, and I think there will be very, very useful discussions and exchange of ideas during these periods of the conference. I really appreciate. I reported. I suggest that a white paper in the document can be prepared after the conference, so that it can be circulated to all the relevant stakeholders in society. Thank you so much, and again, congratulations and best wishes to the university for the conference. Thanks.